Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take tortoiseshell design and put it in some pumpkins. If you want to figure out how I do it, stay tuned. Taking 240 from Presto, and this is this really pretty kind of sheared mustardy color, and I absolutely love this for a base of a tortoiseshell. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my ring finger and part of my middle finger. You have a couple choices for blooming gels. I just have these two, and I think I use Smelt It, and I am going to apply that on that ring finger, and then we're going to do the tortoiseshell for the ring finger. I'm not going to move on to the middle yet. So I am taking 510, and this is a hard gel where I think the 240 was a soak off. Don't quote me on that though. And what I'm doing is applying this over that blooming gel uncured, and then I'm putting this in and making kind of little dots, but fanning them out. And then that blooming gel will help it fan out even more. So I'm just letting it bloom a little bit before I take 43 from Ugly Duckling, which is this nice, super deep black. And this will absolutely fan out really quickly. So that's why I let the brown fan out a little bit more before coming in with the black, because again, this is a liquidier consistency. We're going to repeat the process for the middle finger, taking that blooming gel only over the what it looks like a heart at this point before the pumpkin, and we are going to take that brown and then that black. Talk dirt to me. This, if you've been with my channel, this is not new for you. I should have done this first. That's all I'm gonna say. Do this first and then the other one. But here we are, making mistakes. It's fine. This is why we do tutorials and learn from our mistakes, right? So I really wanted to add some gold leaf onto the nails here, and I thought taking like this tiny bits of gold leaf would be the perfect accent. Taking that 43 again from Ugly Duckling. The outlining process. So I used the 43 gel polish at first, and it blooms way too much. I struggle a little bit on this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the best hand painter. I'm doing Halloween series right now for the 13 days of Halloween. So what I end up doing is with this gel polish, it was kind of just not as opaque and kind of running, and I couldn't figure out why I was struggling so much. So I end up cleaning it up quite a bit, and then I switched to the black gel paint I get smart. About quarter of the way in, I painted these lines a couple times and they just were not coming out, and I could not figure out why. So we get the gel paint and look how much thinner the lines are. It came together. Adding a little gold foil for the stem, which I thought would be really cute for the accent. Taking 240 again, and we're gonna put this all over the pinky. In hindsight, I might have switched them and done the black on the pinky and this on the pointer. So we just wiped off a tacky layer here, cut off some striping tape. Y'all know I top coat right away, and I will do 2 top coats for this. And surprise, we do the thumb in this one. So I needed another pumpkin. So I went ahead and did this one correctly. So this is what you want to do. You want to apply Talk Dirt to Me on your nail first, or whatever light color background or dark color background you want. Just literally do that first. It'll save you so much time. And then I'm coming in with that heart again. And the great thing about this is that even you don't have to have it so opaque, because you are going to put other colors on top of it and then add lines. I forget the gold foil in this one, but you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to have it perfect. And that's what I love about these types of designs, especially with that blooming gel. Everything comes together. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.